Hello everybody, this is Vinny with Excel-based Calculators.com, home of some of the most useful and time-saving Excel tools out there. Like every week for the last 16 years, my goal has been to bring you a new tool, and a new idea every week that will make your life just a bit better by completing and automating one task that maybe it's been in the back of your mind, it's been kind of pain in your neck, right? So during these last 16 years, I've helped over 7,400 companies with dozens and dozens of tools and automated a lot of your day-to-day processes. Every week, I get at least a few emails letting me know how much our tools have meant to you, have helped you, and how you've have found the whole process and our support to be extremely valuable. So I really appreciate that. Keep those emails coming. And in addition to the emails, we've got over 115 excellent Google reviews. We only started doing the Google reviews for the last 18 months. Feel free to browse through those Google reviews and kind of see what a lot of our customers say. The goal for today, the tool I want to show you, is a brand new product that was actually requested by one of my clients, and we built it with the hope that it will be useful to you. Let me show you how it works. The purpose of this tool is to calculate the azimuth, or the degree between a set of addresses. This tool does exactly like that. Like all of our tools, it's built in Excel, and as such there is nothing to install. The way that we do that, we paste or we enter your address couples or your address pairs. And in order to kind of find the azimuth, the tool we need to kind of do two things. The first one is we need to kind of generate the coordinates or the geocodes. We do that by clicking on the calculate coordinates or geocodes, and the tool will automatically do that for us. Once we do that, we can click on calculate azimuth, and the tool will automatically calculate the degree, the angle between those pairs of addresses. And it's really as simple as that. You can do that in those two steps, and you can do that for 25 items, or you can do it for 25,000. To download the tool, just click on the link in the description and you should be able to get it from there. Again, you'll need Excel installed in your computer, which I'm guessing a lot of you do, and the Google Maps API key. I've got some instruction in this link here on how to set up the Google Maps API key. It's really simple, takes about 5 minutes. I really hope this tool will help you like it has helped thousands of companies that I call my clients, and some of you I call my friends. My client list ranges anywhere from small one-person operation to large companies like PepsiCo, Caterpillar, and anything in between. And again, one more thing, I do really pride myself in unparalleled customer service. In the description of the video of my website, you'll find my phone and email. Nobody really does that. Also, by going to the website, if you need to talk to me, just click on the live chat. It won't be a bot, it'll be me chatting with you, and you can ask me any questions on what you need to know about this tool, or maybe any other tools, or maybe custom tools that you need that I can offer. If you need help setting this up, or even a demo, I'd be more than happy to walk you through phone. My phone number again will be there, and either or via Zoom. We can do screen share, and I can help you set this thing up in no time. Just give it a try out the phone or email or chat. Thanks again for checking this out, and till next time.